Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. I want to share with you, since we're approaching Halloween, one of my favorite horror films. I got to see it back in 1974, which is Beyond the Door, the original, with Juliet Mills and Richard Johnson and David Cullen Jr. It is a possession film where Juliet Mills plays the wife Jessica, and she and her unborn child are possessed by the devil. It has a lot of cool special effects in it. It's going to surprise you. It's a lot more scarier and frightening than that of a film such as The Exorcist. However, it was pulled from the theaters back in 1974 within 3 weeks because it made $15 million, and Billy Friedkin, the director of The Exorcist, felt it was a ripoff of his film, which it's not. So, as you see it and you'll view the film, you'll find out it's a lot different. And it's a really frightening film. Really scared me, and it got me into, as it was my first horror film in the theaters. It was a film that inspired me to get into talent management and filmmaking, finally. Beyond the Door, 1974, do check it out. This Halloween is a rare film, and I hope you enjoy it. It is, the one I have is, as you can see, the box here, the sleeve as it was called for VHS. Got it autographed by Juliet Mills back in the day, and as you can see, it is an original VHS tape. Nice if you're a collector like myself. Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join the barter, buy, and sell group of Morbid Team Entertainment. And put a like on our Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.